Create a project here. A bucket is a collection where you can save your data. Okay, so how you can do that? Just click on this create bucket. Once you click on this create bucket, it will give you an option like how you want to save. Then you can give a name here, like a demo collection. Any name you can give based on your requirements. Suppose project you wanted to save, you can give a project. You can click on the continue once you give the name. Now, like what kind of storage you want, reason where you wanted to save it. Like there will be a different kind of region in the cloud. Region means in every country of the world, Google has established or deploy their data center. Just like headquarter we say, right? Company has their headquarter, right? So in the same way, company have a headquarter in this region or in this region or like this region, US, UK. So in the same way, you will have a you will also have this like a region where you can save your data, and you can keep your data safely. So there are different kind of multi regions are there. Dual region, multi region means in which region you wanted to save. Asia region or Europe region, America region, North America region. Region means nothing but where they have kept their server, their data center. Okay, and as I already shown you data center how it looks like. Data centers are very big. They are like they look like this. If I show you in the image, this is the data centers. See how big are the server is. So here your data are saved. Every company, every department, they save their data in the data center. Might be for example technology training is one institute, right? So suppose they are using GCP, so they are saving their data in Mumbai region, suppose. So Mumbai having one data center which is saving the data of technology training. Similarly, this thing is completely depend on us what region we want based on our pricing, because obviously US region are more fine, they are having better storage, so people prefer to save their data on the US region. Once you click on continue, then what kind of storage you want, whether you wanted to save on whether you want to frequently access data, whether you wanted to access data once a month, whether you wanted to access data once a quarter, or you wanted to access data year. Based on your access, charging will be applied. Just like RAM, in the RAM memory you save frequently access data, right? Cache memory and RAM. So these are the classes of the storage. Based on the access of your data, we select it. I wanted to access the data regularly, so I have selected standard one. Nearline one, where you can access data once a month. Code line, where you wanted to access data once a quarter, and archive means once a year. I will keep on continue. Uniform and fine grain are another bucket level, how much efficiency you want, so you can select uniform and fine grain. Continue, and once you are done with this, click on create bucket. But it will take some time and it will create a bucket. See, bucket demo collection is created. Now inside this you can upload any file. Click on this upload file and go to that download any of the file, you can upload it. Suppose I am uploading this one. Now you see that this file is available, right? In this way you can save your data. You can upload any folder, any file. Okay, even complete 100 GB data also you can save it, but the charging will be applicable based on the storage class and your size of the data. If you wanted to save video, audio, obviously there will be a more charging. Is it clear like how storage you are using? You can upload folder also. Click on upload folder and select any folder from any of the device. Like right now I don't have any folder, but I can create. Let me check if I can create any. Yeah, so I'm selecting this, yeah, upload it. It doesn't having any file, but still it will it's not uploading it, but because it doesn't having any file, so let me take it in one file. am going to the download. I am creating